How to add a device to your RemoteLock account. Before we begin, you should already have a smart lock installed and be signed in to the manufacturer's software. Make sure your lock is compatible with RemoteLock. To find out, check the list on our website. Now you're ready to log into RemoteLock. If you're new to the platform and don't have any locks loaded yet, you'll be prompted to add a device. If you already have locks loaded, then from your dashboard, choose Devices in the main navigation and click the Register Device button. Choose your lock's brand in the list of logos, then follow the directions on the screen, which vary by brand. You should then see your device in the lock list and be able to add it to your RemoteLock account. Go to the settings on the left-hand side to assign a recognizable name to your lock, like Unit 302 or Rear Delivery Entrance, so you can easily identify it in the future. That's it! Now you can control and manage access codes, add the lock to door groups, and more. Log into your RemoteLock account to get started today.